In this Science in a Minute video, from Be Better Informed, we will cover the following subjects. Photo 51. T-Rex Lips. Mission to Jupiter. And we explain why we have sonic boom. Let us start with Photo 51. This image is known as Photo 51. It is a famous X-ray image of DNA that played a crucial role in the discovery of the double helix structure of DNA. The image was taken by Rosalind Franklin and Raymond Gosling in 1952 and showed a clear X-shaped pattern, indicating the spiral structure of DNA. This image was a significant contribution to the research of James Watson and Francis Crick, who were able to determine the structure of DNA with the help of Franklin and Gosling's work. However, despite her critical role in the discovery of DNA's structure, Franklin did not receive the recognition she deserved during her lifetime. She passed away from ovarian cancer in 1958, before the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded to Watson and Crick in 1962. Today, Photo 51 remains a symbol of the significant contributions that women have made to science, often without receiving due recognition. It is a reminder of the importance of recognizing the achievements of all scientists, regardless of their gender or background, and the vital role that collaboration and sharing of ideas play in advancing scientific research. Next, about T-Rex's lips. How did researchers conclude that T-Rex had lips? Since lips do not get fossilized, how did researchers figure it out? One part of the research looked at tooth damage, and they found that exposed teeth show greater wear than those behind lips, which suggests that T-Rex teeth were considerably less damaged, and they were likely covered by lips. Additionally, the research team found that T-Rex jaw bones are more like lizards and have a low number of openings close to their jaw margins, which is consistent with the presence of lips. Finally, the team modeled the mechanics of how lipless T-Rex jaws would close and found it impossible for T-Rex to seal their mouths without lips. Collectively, these studies point to the same conclusion, that T-Rex mouth anatomy and functionality seems more like that of lizards which have lips than crocodiles which do not. So the reasons why researchers concluded that T-Rex had lips is because 1. No teeth damage. 2. Low number of openings close to their jaw margins. 3. Mechanical models cannot seal their mouths without lips. Next is mission to Jupiter. Finally, Europe's first ever Jupiter mission, called JUICE, is on its way. The mission is to study Jupiter and its moons Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. The rocket will reach Jupiter in only 2031, taking a very circuitous but energy-efficient route using gravity assist from the Earth, Moon, and Venus. The goal is to understand whether there are habitable environments on these icy moons. JUICE stands for Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, JUICE. JUICE will be the first spacecraft to ever orbit a moon, Ganymede, in the outer solar system. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system and has its own magnetic field. Studying the Jovian system and its 3 icy moons is not without its challenges. JUICE will be the first spacecraft ever to perform a lunar-Earth gravity assist. The spacecraft will have to survive the intense radiation environment around Jupiter, and its solar panels will need to be huge and efficient to capture enough solar energy to power its instruments and systems. This mission will allow scientists to provide insights into the potential for life beyond Earth. Finally, sonic boom. A sonic boom sound is a loud explosion that can also be felt as a sudden jolt or vibration. Actually, you can see it. It occurs when an object, like a fighter jet, travels through the air faster than the speed of sound. When an aircraft is flying below the speed of sound waves are created and you hear the rumble and roar. The sound waves are spreading out from the aircraft at the speed of sound at around 750 miles per hour. Now if the plane accelerates to the speed of sound, then the sound waves can no longer move fast enough to move away from the plane. The waves bunch up and combine to form a shock wave rather than just regular sound waves. A shock wave, in very simple terms, is a wave which has tremendous power stored in it. When the shock wave reaches your ear, you hear it as a loud explosion and can feel a jolt. You can even see it. It is actually air that becomes squashed by sound waves. It appears as a cone of vapor around the aircraft. For more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel.